tissue. Okay. Okay, the animal tissues are of various types. Okay. Now the types of animal tissue is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. Got it? And they are further divided into different types. Like epithelial tissue is divided into squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, and glandular. Okay. Got it? Got it? And and if I talk
Sir, are
about
you
the,
revising?
yeah, we are going to revise.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now talking to this one is that this is a epithelial tissue. Then we are talking about the connective tissue, then muscular tissue. Okay, and then nervous tissue we're going to have. Okay. So if I talk about this one, that there are different types. Like epithelial tissue is divided into 5 types. Like we have connective tissue. Connective tissue is divided into areolar, adipose, skeleton, and fluid, and they are further subdivided. Like areolar is divided into 2 parts: tendons and ligaments. Got it? Like adipose, like a skeleton is divided into 2 parts: bone and cartilage. Fluid is divided into 2 parts: blood and lymph. Okay. Other don't have the sub branches like muscular tissue. Muscular tissue, okay, they are of various type. And nervous tissue, okay, smooth muscular tissue, okay, striated muscles tissue, non-striated, cardiac. So we are going to have different types of this one. Okay. So now talking about this one is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. So if I talk about that epithelial tissue, so what is epithelial tissue? So epithelial tissue always grow. If I talk about that,
Can
always
you
grow
show
on.
the mind map, please?
What are you saying?
Show the
Are you saying?
mind map, please.
Okay. Yeah, these are present at the top. Okay, if I talk about that, these are present at the top of the skins, okay, where the covering is there. Okay, so this is considered to be as we consider that this is considered the top. So always grow on some type of tissue. They always grow on some other, because they are at the top, so they are always growing on some other tissue. Cell of epitheliums are set very close to each other, and the tissue rests on non-cellular basement membrane. So it is based on a non-cellular basement membrane. You need to keep in mind, consist of a single layer of cells. It may consist of single layer, it may consist of multi-layer. Okay. That's the most important thing, that it does not have blood vessels. So blood vessels are absent and non-nervous in nature, means they don't have the neurons also. So if you peel out your skin top layer, so it will not give you pain because it don't have the nervous tissue. Okay. Nor you will get the blood if you only peel out the top layer, just a top layer of the of your skin. Okay. So just because they are not going to have blood vessels, so you will not get any blood. Next is that if you are getting blood, it means that you have, means you have deep cut, and it is below the epithelial tissue. It covers all organs, and means cover means it is covering the outer covering. It is forming the outer covering. So it cover all the organs and lines the cavities of hollow organs like stomach. It is primarily protective in function. Got it? It is primarily protective in function. So note, so if you are going to note a short note of this one, a quick revision notes. So write epithelial tissue, quick revision notes. It's like, right, rest on non-cellular basement membrane, this line. Okay. Okay, right, non-nervous. Okay, very short note we are going to make. Blood vessels, no blood vessels, right, no blood vessels. Protective in functions, write all the underlying points. Everybody please turn on your camera. Aris, Abdul Jabbar, turn on your camera. We're going to have the test of tissue chapter in the next class.
Sir,
Animal
only
tissue,
animal tissue, right?
only animal tissue,
Animal. Okay.
oral test. Riyaz, will you remember this one? That we will going to have the test in biology, next biology class, we're going to have the test.
But next
Yes, sir.
biology class I can't attend because I have exams.
So, what? You give the test of 15 minutes and you can go. Try to give it up. It will help you. Okay, I will take your test on chemistry class because you are busy in game. So this the previous one is chemistry, so we'll take it.
Okay, sir.
Done?
So,
Noted?
No, sir.
The
No, sir.
underline points only.
still right.
Abdul Jabbar, why are you not turning your camera?
Sir, I'm just going to take a pen and
You are?
Sir, I just need to take a book and come. I didn't know we were writing today.
Ramaisa? Avni, are you writing?
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next is
Done, sir.
there are different types of epithelial tissue. One is squamous epithelial, cuboidal, columnar, transitional, stratified. Okay. So if I talk about that, squamous epithelial tissue. So squamous epithelial tissue is generally squamous epithelial tissue means we also call it pavement epithelium. Means squamous epithelium means it is very small and very thin, made up of single layer of cells. Okay, and cells are arranged. So note it down. Cells arranged end to end. Cells arranged end to ends. Squamous epithelial. Short notes.
Sure.
Okay, the actual notes that we have written in the copy. Okay, we are just using the short notes here. Got it? Done?
Done.
Cells are polygonal in surface view. Oh, no, don't write it. Okay, right. Delicate linings forms delicate linings of cavities arranged in many layers. Form stratified squamous epithelial. Stratified. This is not a scholar. This is commerce. So instead of write it is commerce. It's commerce. SQUAMOUS is commerce. Maisa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
The camera is off.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes.
Next is cuboidal. So cuboidal is the type of cells that is cube-like structures. Okay, that's why they are called cuboidals. Got it? So because they are generally found in kidney tubules. Okay, cube-like cells found in kidney tubules, thyroid vesicles, salivary glands, function, absorption, excretion, and secretion. Note this point in short notes. Arish, show me the copy that whether you are writing or not. Show me a copy.
That should be right.
Should we write means?
I thought this was revision day.
You thought. Other students are stupids. Where is
Sir,
your
I
copy
will.
and pen? Where is your copy and pen? Wow. Wow, what a great student we are going to have. We have already written this one in details, but this is a quick revision notes. Fast. Just before 15 minutes before the exam. Should we write? Wow.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Next is
Sir, 1 minute. Done.
Okay. So it involved in absorption, excretion. Okay, done. Next is columnar epithelium. Columnar means it is pillar-like. So this is pillar-like epithelium and found in forms lining of stomach, small intestine, colon, increases absorption efficiency. Next one is ciliated. Ciliated means cilia. It is going to be our cilia. Cilia is some thread-like structures that comes out of the cell, and they may be columnar ciliated or they can be cuboidal ciliated. Okay, the cells may be cuboidal or columnar. Help in movement of ova. Not fast. And
Done, sir.
No, sir.
noted fast. Abdul Jabbar, are you writing? Show me a copy.
Done, sir.
Okay, Maisa, are you writing?
Yes, sir, I'm writing.
Done.
No, sir.
Done, Avni? You still writing?
Yes, sir.
Noted fast.
Done, sir.
The next is connective tissue. So we have done the epithelial. The next is connective tissue. So connective tissue is, we can say that connective tissue is a type of tissue which is widely embedded and have large amount of space. Okay. So we can say that connective tissue are widely spaced. Okay. Widely spaced and they are embedded. These are embedded in an intercellular matrix. Embedded, okay, in intercellular matrix. They may be white or yellow fibers are present. Mean they can have white and yellow fiber. Provide support. Provide support. Okay, note it down. Only the underlined one. Done.
No, sir. Wait, sir.
Write down connective tissue, widely spaced, embedded in intercellular matrix, embedded in curly disco. Intercellular matrix, yellow and white fibers are present, provide support.
Done, sir.
Done.
I'm sir. I'm sir.
Done, sir.
Next type of tissue is, we called it blood and lymph. Blood and lymph, we are going to study blood. So blood and lymph both are fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. Connective tissue. Okay. So if I talk about blood, so blood is a connective tissue. Okay, and it consists of plasma in which the blood corpuscles are present. So this is the matrix which we call plasma. And this plasma, hormones are present in this plasma. We can simply say that blood oxygen is being dissolved, carbon dioxide, salts, hormones, water, proteins, all of them, glucose that we have, that all is present in this plasma. Along with it have the RBCs, okay, RBCs, it have the platelets, okay, it has the white blood cells, okay. So this it has, I mean, this plasma is going to have different types of cells, blood cells, along with it has what? Plasma. Okay, the blood plasma. So what is fluid matrix of blood plasma? Plasma having wandering or floating cells called corpuscles. We call it blood cells or corpuscles. Blood help in transportation of various materials such as nutritive gas, nutritive substances, excretory products, and hormones. Okay, and we're talking about plasma. So we write blood. Blood is a connective tissue. Okay, note it down. Plasma having wandering cells. Okay, note it down. Only the black one. Blood is a connective tissue. Okay, plasma having wandering cells, having wandering or floating cells. Okay, help in transportation of various materials. Noted.
Can you use the connective tissue once? That I didn't write it fully.
So this is the you didn't write the connective tissue.
I only wrote the third point. I didn't write the last one.
Only write the last one. Provide support. Got it? Okay, do this one. Done?
Yes, sir, done.
Why
Yes,
are you
sir.
Yes,
telling?
sir, done.
Okay, next is plasma. Right, plasma form 55% of the total blood. Okay, all right, RBC. Right, also called erythrocytes. Red color pigments present in it is called hemoglobin. Okay, and function is transportation of oxygen. WBC. Okay, soldier of the body. Irregular and amoeboid shape. Shape is irregular and amoeboid. Third one is blood platelets, spindle shaped cells, clotting of blood. Means this is a quick revision notes, okay? I will check whether I can ask any students a copy to write whether you are writing or not. We'll ask you to send your photo of
Sir,
the
can you show
notes.
me the plasma only?
Okay, so this is your plasma, whatever you are writing. Okay, so you have to everybody send the photo of your notes whether you are writing or not. I will check it.
You have to write chloroplasts also.
What do you think, Amni? You have to
You
write?
have to write chloroplasts also after plasma. What is that?
No, corpuscles. No. Corpuscles are the blood cells, na 45% of the blood. There are three types. So only write the black line. Thanks.
Okay, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir, done. Bluetooth.
Yeah. Noted. Have we done?
No, sir.
Noted. Done? Should I move forward?
I'm right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, done.
Yeah, noted fast. Abdul Jabbar, you?
We're writing, sir, just last one.
Okay.
Answer.
Next, bone. Okay. Matrix of bone is very hard because of salt and calcium phosphate. Okay. Uh, so write it. Protein. Protein is oasis. Bone. Very hard. Okay. And contains salts, calcium phosphate. And the protein is OSN. Okay. And the bone cells is called osteoblast. Long bones, usually hollow, containing cavities, usually hollow, containing, don't write it, containing a marrow. Bone marrow. What it? Bones.
Sir, done.
Sir, I'm writing.
Writing. Okay.
Done, sir.
Done?
Sir, I'm writing.
Okay, okay, write it.
Sir, what do we call bone cells?
Yeah, what you're saying?
After bone cells, what is there in the bracket?
Bone cells in the bracket. Where it is? Osteoblast.
Or osteoblast.
Yes. Are you writing, Avni? We need to write only the black line, underline
Yes,
portion. Are
sir.
you
I
right?
know.
Write it fast. You, Abdul Jabbar, Humaisa, and Riaz, why have you turned off your camera?
Sir, I have network issues, sir.
And you, Riaz?
Sir, I'm not feeling well, so like, I
Why
have the
not?
time.
You off the camera and you just taking rest on your bed.
No, sir.
When you're not feeling well, it's okay. Done. Okay, next. Next is cartilage. Cartilage, if I talk about that cartilage is actually a tissue that don't have the blood supply. Okay, actually the bones have the blood supply, but tissue don't have. So they are elastic, less harder compared to bone. Protein is called chondroprotein that is present in the bones, and the cells are called chondroblast. Are called as chondroblast. Reinforced by fibers present in nose, ear, trachea. Occurs at. Note it only.
Done, sir. So done.
Okay. Next is connective tissue. It is most abundant type of means we can say connective tissue. Connective tissue, we have studied that it is most abundant type. It consists of yellow fibers. Okay, it consists of yellow fiber, white fibers. Okay, so there are different types of. We are just going to study. So let's talk about this one. That connective tissue means it is the most abundant type of connective tissue. Okay, and it is further divided into just a minute. So most abundant type of tissue. Okay, and one is yellow fibrous connective tissue, another is white fibrous connective tissue. Yellow fibers called as ligament, which attach bone to bone, while white fibers forming tendons called tendons, which attach bone to muscles, not a diamond. Are you getting? Avni done?
Yes, sir.
Aris done?
Sir, wait, sir, no, sir. One line.
Done, sir.
Sir, done.
Done.
Sir, done.
Everyone?
No, sir, only.
Noted, noted.
Done, sir.
Okay. So we have one is yellow fibrous tissue, which is tendons. Sorry, ligaments. Another one is white, which is called tendons. Okay. The next one is areolar. Are you getting? Now, after the connective tissue, we have areolar. Areolar. Most distributed, which was the connective tissue was most abundant and it is most distributed. Most distributed, areolar. Fill space inside the organs. Found between the skin and muscles. Around the blood vessels. Nerves. Only you have to write this one. This is already very short.
Sir, done.
Done, everyone?
Sir, done.
Yes, sir.
Now adipose.
Sir, actually,
Adipose, the last one, adipose. You didn't write.
no, sir, last one. Done, sir.
Next is adipose tissue. Adipose. Adipose.
Sir, only that
This
one line.
fat globules. Okay, what are you saying?
No, sir, nothing.
Fat globules. Cells are adipocytes. Found below the skin, around the heart, below the eyeballs. Act as an insulator.